Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So I decided to make a new series of videos to show you guys how you can earn free crypto without investing anything. And this is for many reasons, but the main one, especially we know that we are now for more than 1 year in a very deep bear market. So I know that people that are into crypto are very afraid of this situation, obviously are very disappointed on this situation, and obviously all the new guys that want to enter the crypto world are very let's say afraid to invest. So I want to let you know that there are other ways to be part of the crypto world or blockchain technology, and this is you can do this without investing any money if you are afraid to, or if you don't want to, but you like this technology and you like to be part of this. And first, before we begin, you have to know that the free way to earn crypto, it's not that profitable, obviously, because if there was a very profitable way to earn crypto without investing anything, that anyone would invest, and obviously this world will not grow. So you have to keep in mind that this is only to be part of the crypto world and only to earn something on the side for the future. So basically you need to consider these ways I'm going to show you in this series of videos. You have to consider this in a very long-term investment, let's say, although you are not investing anything. But I know that most of you will enter these ways with the intent to earn money, but you have to know right from the beginning that you are not going to get rich with these kind of things. But who knows, maybe one of these coins that you may earn without investing could shoot up 100x, maybe 1000x or more, like they have done in the past. So who knows, it may be true, but mostly you have to consider this like a very long-term way to earn crypto and maybe get some money in the very long-term period. So you have to keep this in mind before you go on with this with these ways. Okay, then, enough rambling about. Let's begin with the first one. The first way I'm going to show you how you can earn free crypto without investing anything is through the Electroneum platform, or the Electroneum coin, or ETN for short. And the way you can earn money with Electroneum is very easy, and the first thing you need to do is go down on the link that you will find on my video and use my referral code or referral link for this application. So in this way you help me a little bit if you register with my code. So basically you need to go to the electroneum.com page if you are not sure for the page, because you have to be very careful with the scam sites, the fishy sites, websites, because they may be. So the best way you can go is follow my link, or you can go to CoinMarketCap, go to Electroneum, and there you will find the website, and this is the website. So basically Electroneum, for all the people that don't know, it's a very simple application for your phone which you can install on your phone. It's now available on Android and iOS also, so you can use it on both systems now. You don't need any special phone, you just need an Android phone with, I think, Android 6.1 at least, or 4.1, don't quote me on that. But anyway, I think that today everyone has a phone with at least Android 6.1. So yeah, this is very simple, and iOS, all the systems are supported as long as I know. After you install the app on your phone, this is the application you can find on Google Play, but I guess it's the same on iOS too, but I don't own an iOS phone, so I don't really know about that, but anyway, you install your app. It will take a very short amount of time. Then you go and create an account. Obviously you can create then that on the main page of Electroneum, or you can create it on your mobile phone, but I suggest you do not use your mobile phone too much with crypto, because phones are very more vulnerable than your personal PC. But anyway, till now I haven't heard anyone get stolen the funds from Electroneum. You can log in, as you can see, with your Facebook account, or you can just create a new account. Then you have to create a passcode, or let's say a PIN code. You can enter your account, and after you open your account, this is the web page. You can see you can manage your wallet, you can send or you can receive Electroneum in your wallet if you like. You can use the exchanges that support Electroneum for now, which are listed in here. And in the settings, you have, for the first time, when you create for the first time your Electroneum wallet, you have to set a PIN recovery code with another email from the one that you have opened your account. And then you have obviously the place where to change your password. I suggest you use a very strong password anyway. Then into your profile you can pass different things of different levels of accounts. So I'm level 1, I don't need to be level 2 or level 3 because I want to use my Electroneum only as a crypto. I don't want to get them into real money. But if you like, you can upgrade your level your account to level 2 or level 3, so you can manage up to 150 euros in 3 months on account level 2, then up to 10,000 euros for 3 months on account level 3, if you need to do that. Obviously, if you are a vendor, or let's say a shop that want to use Electroneum, because Electroneum can be used as a method of payment, so you can do that. But we are not this here to show you this, but just I wanted to show you what you can find in the Electroneum web page. So after you have opened your Electroneum wallet or application in your phone, this is the look of it. As you can see now, my cloud mining is active. I have 101 pending ballots, which is going to be paid on my wallet, because before you get paid every 10 Electroneum you have mined, but now you are paid every 100 Electroneum that you are mined. And you have the miner in here, you have the wallet in here, which you can see your payments you can receive, or you can send your coins from here. You have a section where you see the actual value in US dollars of Electroneum, or in another currency if you like. You have a calculator for the price, you have the exchanges which you can use, and so on. And if you go to more on the referral program in here, if you click in here, you can here you can use my referral code. So for the first phone you can use my referral code, so we help each other out. I get a little bit of your mining which you do with your phone. But now let's get into the point. Well, the installing and the opening of the wallet is very easy. If you don't know how to open an account, how to install an app, and how to make it work, then I'm sorry, but you have to learn that first, because this is the basic of all things in internet, let's say, not only into crypto. Opening an account, creating a very secure account with recovery phrase, with passwords, with PIN codes, with Google authentication if it's needed. First you need to learn this and then get into crypto, because if you don't know these things, that you are going to lose, you are going to make some mistakes, so be careful with this. So let's get back into the app. Now you might say, well, this app is going to get installed in my phone, is going to use my phone, my battery, is going to eat up my CPU, my RAM, and so on. And this is the beauty of this application. This is a cloud mining application, so it doesn't use your PC, it doesn't use your RAM, it doesn't use your battery, so it's pretty much safe. You just create an account, install the app, open the app, start your cloud mining, and you are good to go. From time to time, when you get your phone shut down, you have to reopen the application. So this is the only thing you have to do. And so basically that's why I consider this to be free crypto, because you just install the app, you activate cloud mining, you enter every 3 to 4 days. You can see here a maximum of 7 days where you can extend your cloud mining, because it will shut down if you don't extend your cloud mining. So it's very easy. You just have to install the app, leave it running, and then you are good to go. You don't have to do anything, but you have to add this application to your exceptions when you close the app, so it doesn't close, it doesn't get closed fully when you go to your main menu, or when you wipe out, let's say, your applications that are open. But anyway, with the latest update they have done to this application where you get cloud mining, I'm not sure if you have to do that, but just for to be sure that the application will keep on mining, you can do that. It will not eat your battery, it will not eat your internet too, because the application, I have checked it, and it can get from 400 kilobytes to maybe 500 kilobytes per day. So it's not too much. Let's say half a megabyte every 24 hours, or maybe less. It will use even less than that. So that's why you earn free crypto with this. And the beauty of this is that you can use other phones with other numbers, obviously, because you cannot use the same number, your phone number for the same account in different phones. You have to have you can use the same account but with different phone numbers. Or the best thing you can do is to use different phones with different accounts and different numbers, because let's say, for example, you open your first account, you use my referral code, so I get a very small percentage of the coins that you mine. And then with another phone, let's say you have two phones, or let's say you have your wife phones, your husband phones, your daughter, or any family member phones, you can create an account on their phones too, and then with their accounts you can use your own referral code. And in this way you can earn more coins, because you use each other codes for every phone. So you get paid the coins which you mine with your account, and obviously you get paid the coins which you mine with other accounts, and with other accounts using your codes you get the bonus from the referral code. So you can go on for as many phones that you may have at your disposal. So I think this is the best way which you can earn. You obviously, as I told you, you can use the same account on different phones, but I have done that, but I don't see that I can earn let's say I have two accounts, two phones with the same account, and I have to earn double the amount. It's not true. So I suggest you open new accounts on new phones with new numbers and use your referral code from your previous account, so you can get the benefit of the referral bonus from this cloud mining, let's say, because it's not mining. So there you have it. I hope this was clear. Obviously, if you have any question, you can ask them on the comment section. It's very easy. Let me remind you in the few steps. Download the app, create an account, open the app, begin cloud mining, use my referral code if you like to use that. Then you can open a new account on another phone. You can have multiple phones, and I suggest you to use different accounts on different phones, so you will have double the amount of coins, because you will not get double the amounts of coins if you use the same account on different phones. I have checked that. I don't know why is that, but anyway, you can try it for yourself and see if that works. So yeah, I think that was it for today. Obviously, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos, because I will make other videos of how you can earn free crypto. And hope you enjoy this series, yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.